Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Today we're going to be working on my Lexus CT200 hybrid. We're going to be changing out the ignition coils on this car. Before we get started, give me a thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe on the bottom right hand corner. We'll get started on some tools here needed in just a moment. Some tools you're going to need for this DIY is going to be your replacement ignition coils. I got these off of Amazon. They're very affordable, so all four were under $60. Tool you'll need is going to be a 10mm socket right here on a ratchet, just basic hand tools. Pop your hood. It is on the driver's side. Let's go to the front. From the front, the latch is right here. You're going to put this hood support into that hole right there. Again, that's the hole for the hood support. Alright, so looking at the car from the front, don't let it intimidate you. It's just covered up, but it is very, very easy. Your ignition coils are going to be hidden right under this cover right here. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so go ahead and pull this cover off right here. It's just held on by some rubber grommets. Oops. Put it somewhere safe. You should have full access to your coils. This is what it looks like from the top. There's your first one, second one, third one, and your fourth one. Zooming in. Whoops. Push this little tab right here. Push the tab in. Try your best to be careful. I mean, it's almost impossible, but all this stuff is very soft. This is a 10mm. Okay. The coil should come right out. Let me zoom out. There you go. So now I'm just taking my replacement coil right here. I'm just matching all of it up, or looking at it rather. Just seeing if it all matches up. Make sure it's all the same. Everything looks good to go. Next I'm going to get some dialect grease right here just to keep the moisture out. I just put a little bit in this bottom part right here. Should be ready to install. Alright, now that I have that all greased up, I'm ready to reinstall my coil. Okay, let me put the camera down. You really want to do this stuff by hand so you don't cross thread it. Okay. Feels pretty good. I don't have torque values on these, but honestly I don't make them crazy tight anyways. Zooming out. And that's it. You're going to do the exact same thing all the way across. You should have full access to all of it. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video. If you like it, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Helps with the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.